how to filter dates to show only months in an Excel pivot table. So I have my pivot table here and I would like to sort it in order to show how many tickets have been resolved in January, February, and so on. So I want to filter it by month. And as you can see over here, my dates are only showing as absolute dates. So I have no way of filtering by month, but luckily there is a way to do that. So what we have to do is to go to the field list over here and take your date column and drag it to the rows section. And if you have a newer version of Excel like I do, this will automatically create these three fields over here: months, quarters, and years, and you would be able to use them individually. However, if that's not the case, let me simulate that. If in your scenario, when you drag the date to the rows section, it just shows you all of your dates, you simply have to click on one of them, right click and select group. And from over here, from the grouping menu, you will have to select only the months option from here and hit OK. And what this is going to do is going to show me a breakdown by month, but I want to have the month in the filter. So I'm simply moving it to the filter section. And now from here, I will be able to just filter on whichever month I want and see the results that I need to see. So this is how to do it. Thumbs up the video and see you in the next one.